Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the thread direction and how the cog sits. This matters because wrong force will tighten it. Once identified, wrap a thick cloth and rubber band for grip and apply penetrating lubricant to the interface. This reduces friction and helps break corrosion. You should wait 5 to 10 minutes so the fluid seeps into threads. Then, position your improvised grip so you can push counter or pull counter consistently. Steady force beats sudden jerks, especially on delicate components. You now alternate controlled rocking motions, small increasing angles, so the seized contact zones break free. This technique uses torsion rather than brute force. If corrosion persists, apply short heat bursts with a hairdryer to expand the metal slightly. Heat helps break the bond, then reapply lubricant and repeat motion. Make sure to change direction occasionally, which prevents rounding the thread profile. Once you see movement, continue the same rhythm. Steady, gradual turns until the cog moves several threads. You finish by backing the cog completely off with the improvised grip, then clean both parts with a brush and solvent so reassembly is reliable. Make sure to inspect threads. If they're dinged, stop and protect the component before forcing. If no movement occurs, tap the perimeter lightly with a non-metal object to jar corrosion loose, then reapply lubricant and retry. This often works. If threads strip or the part deforms, seek a thread file, helicoil repair, or professional intervention to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.